Enforcement cost after winning. Monthly cost roughly 9 to 35 euros a month, depending on which module you choose. Harassment. Contract disputes. This is best for every employed person in Germany. So legal base price, everyone needs this. Tenant legal 3 to 6 euros extra. Hey everyone, welcome back to VConnectGermany. New here? Like this video. One tap helps us reach thousands more expats. Subscribe and hit the bell button. New episode every single week. Episode guide so far. Episode 1, health, liability and glass insurance. Episode 2, dental insurance. Episode 3, Hausrat and theft. Episode 4, car insurance. And our super score video, essential for all expats in Germany. All links in the below description. Daniel lived in Berlin for 4 years. Perfect tenant. Never missed out rent. Left the apartment in perfect condition. When he moved out, his landlord tried to withhold his full 2,400 euros deposit, claiming damage that simply did not exist. So, how much would a specialist lawyer in Germany for a basic civil dispute cost? 800 to 1,500 euros just to get started. Daniel had a legal protection insurance. A specialist tenant lawyer was assigned within 48 hours. The landlord backed down immediately. Full deposit returned. Daniel's legal cost? 0. I'm Visaka. I'm a certified financial advisor and you can always check my credentials, and behind VConnectGermany is a large team to support the expats. That matters the most when clients are already stressed, confused or facing legal pressure, because in those moments, real support is more valuable than anything. Episode 5, legal insurance. All 5 types fully explained. Germany has one of the most thorough legal systems in the world. That is wonderful, unless you are the one paying the lawyers. Legal fees in Germany. Basic lawyer consultation 150 to 300 euros per hour. Employment tribunal 1,500 to 5,000 euros. Civil court case 800 to 3,000 euros just to file. Appeals process doubles all costs. Legal insurance covers the following: lawyer fees, court cost, expert witness fees and enforcement cost after winning. Monthly cost roughly 9 to 35 euros a month, depending on which module you choose. Critical warning here, there might be 3 to 8 months of waiting period depending on the provider. You must sign up before you are in a dispute. Never after a dispute has already started. It simply will not be covered. There are 5 types of legal insurance in Germany. Type 1, private legal protection. Privatrechtsschutz covers everyday personal disputes, contract disputes with shops and service providers, online purchase disputes, non-delivery refund refusals, neighbor conflicts and also dispute with German authorities. Best for everyone living in Germany. Type 2, tenant legal protection. Mietrechtsschutz. Germany is a nation of renters and landlord disputes are extremely common. This covers wrongful deposit deductions, illegal rent increase, Mieterhöhung, eviction threats, landlord refusing to fix defects, utility bill errors, Nebenkostenabrechnung. Best for all renters in Germany, which is most expats. So here let's discuss a case study. UK from Japan received a utility bill 800 euros higher than expected. Landlord refused to explain the calculations. Her tenant legal insurance covered a lawyer who found 3 calculation errors and negotiated a 600 euro deduction. UK paid nothing for the legal support. Type 3, employment legal protection. Arbeitsrechtsschutz covers all disputes with your employer. Unfair or invalid dismissal, unpaid wages or bonuses, workplace discrimination or harassment, contract disputes. This is best for every employed person in Germany. So here's again a case study. Marcos from Brazil suddenly dismissed from his Frankfurt IT job. No documented reason given. His employment legal insurance covered a labor law specialist. The lawyer proved the dismissal was legally invalid. Marcos received a 14,000 euros severance settlement. Type 4, traffic legal protection. Verkehrsrechtsschutz covers all driving related legal disputes, accident liability disputes, driving license suspension challenges, speed camera disputes, garage repair disputes, insurance company disputes after accidents. So this is best for all drivers in Germany. Watch episode 4 for full car insurance details and link is in the below description. So here's again a case study. Priya received 480 euros fine and 1 month driving ban based on a speed camera she believed was incorrectly calibrated. Her traffic legal insurance paid for a specialist who challenged with the camera evidence. Case dismissed. No fine, no ban. Type 5. Internet legal protection. Internet legal protection focuses on protecting people and businesses from online risks such as cybercrime, data theft, identity fraud, and legal disputes on the internet. This legal protection helps create a safer online environment for communication, e-commerce, and digital services across Germany. So now something interesting. What is Strafrecht Rechtsschutz? Covers defense cost if accused of a crime, even wrongly. Traffic criminal charges, workplace accusations, any criminal investigation where you were a suspect. Important, does not cover intentional crimes. It protects you against accusations, not convictions for deliberate wrongdoing. This is best for drivers and business owners. So here is a module cost guide. Private legal base price, everyone needs this. Tenant legal 3 to 6 euros extra, all renters. Employment legal 10 to 15 euros extra, all employed people needs it. Traffic legal 3 to 5 euros extra, all drivers must have. Internet legal 2 euros extra, mostly comes added in a package. When you face a legal dispute, VConnectGermany activates your claim. This is where support matters more than price. I'm a certified financial advisor and you can verify my credentials. But the real strength is this. Our clients are supported by a team of experts. So when a landlord threatens, when an employer dismisses, or when legal paperwork becomes overwhelming, you have a real team standing behind you. We immediately assess whether your policy covers the situation. We help you match with a specialist lawyer and our partner network. We help you organize all documents, messages, evidence if required. We use the exact trigger language insurers require to activate the coverage. We handle all correspondence in your language and we follow up until every cost is reimbursed. Real result, a client received an illegal eviction notice. The landlord fabricated lease violations. Without our support, she may have simply moved out. With VConnectGermany, we activated her tenant legal insurance, connected her with a specialist lawyer, and the eviction notice was legally overturned within 3 weeks. The landlord paid all court costs. In episode 6, travel insurance, and the story of a man who faced 45,000 euros emergency medical bill abroad with zero coverage. Like this video, subscribe, and share this series with your friends. For free consultation, the link is in the below description. I'm Visakha. Cheers.